What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I was running around my house and it fell off my pocket and it broke both sides, and I can't even touch it. It has like, lines everywhere, and I was wondering if you fix it.
Don't worry, I got you. We're gonna transfer this ID to new screen. Transferring his data. Time to fix back glass. Surgery time. If your hands not getting dirty, you're not doing it right. One more time, laser. Cleaning time. Glue time. Your phone is ready, sir. Now everything is good to go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good job, man. Thank you.
Looks new. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'ma really